Hey friends! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Selle. Today's video is monthly grocery haul. We are a family of 3 and we do our grocery shopping once every first week of the month. We usually go to Walmart for smaller or individual items and Sam's Club for bigger or bulk items. If you are new here to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Selle, I'm a wife and a full-time working mommy of one sweet boy. I would really love it and you would definitely make my day if you subscribe to my channel for lots of cleaning motivations, tons of home organization, and all things motherhood. And if you are a returning subscriber, you are awesome and thank you so much for coming back and watching. I truly appreciate all your love and support. Let's get this haul started. Here we are going to start with beverage. We pick up 3 cases of 36-pack Pepsi and then we pick up a case of Aquafina water. We also got Nesquik chocolate milk. And then here on the kitchen island on the very right side, I pick up this fresh butter croissant. And then I pick up more of these Montecadas muffin. These are so good. I ate this at work and my son loves this. And then I pick up chocolate croissant from Walmart. I usually get my chocolate croissant from Whole Foods, but it gets so pricey and these are only like $3 for 6 pieces. So I want to try it and honestly guys, I can tell the difference. We have some white bread here and then I pick up white flour tortilla. We were thinking of making some burritos for dinner, so I picked that up. And then here are my favorite chocolates. It's Cadbury with roasted almonds. And then on the left side here, I pick up this ready-to-bake chocolate chip cookie dough. I am in the mood for some cookie. I hope I can make this chewy. I've never used this before, but I wanted to try it. Then here, we have some Spam. I've been eating a lot of this and my son really likes this. So I pick up some of them because we did run out. And then here, I pick up some Red Bull. This is 4-pack in tropical flavor. I don't usually drink energy drink, but I like this one. And then here, I pick up more of Tabasco. I am running out and last time, they don't have this big one. Pick up some canola oil here. And then on the back here, I pick up these little bites. My son loves to eat this for breakfast. It's cookies and cream. Sometimes he eats this for lunch too. He's doing virtual school, but he eats lunch when it's lunchtime. And then I pick up this biscuit. Actually, my husband picked this up. He's in the mood to eat biscuits, so he grabbed one of this. And then we have Pillsbury pizza crust here. We were thinking of making some pizza for dinner, so I grabbed one of those. I've never tried those before, so I want to see if it's any good or comparable to the fresh one that I get from Whole Foods. And then my husband picked up this big can of chili. It's Hormel with no beans. And then over here, we have my favorite ice cream. It's the Häagen-Dazs Dulce de Leche. We have some Chobani Greek yogurt here. This is the strawberry banana flavor. My son and I will eat this. And then I did run out of the Laughing Cow's cheese, so I pick up some more of this. I got this from Sam's Club. It's 3-pack for, I believe it's like $6 something. It's so much cheaper than getting 1 by 1 from Walmart. And then we pick up some butter stick for a recipe. And then my husband picked up this big bag of frozen corn on the cob. It's like 24 pieces in here. We have eggs here. We love eggs in this house. I don't like to run out, so I always pick up some every time we go grocery shopping. And then here we have this breakfast sausage. This is the brown sugar and honey. Last time they didn't have this at Walmart, so I pick up a couple of them. And then here we have some pepperoni. This is a price of 1 for 2 at Sam's Club, so get it from there. My son and my husband, they love pepperoni, so we always get them. I was craving for some crunchy Cheetos, so I pick up a couple of them. And then over here at the front, we have some beef stew. My husband picked this up. He cooked this with onions and peppers. It's already gone by the time I upload this video and it was really good. And then here we have some Italian sausage. My husband likes to make these meatballs with spaghetti and he puts this Italian sausage and it was really delicious. I pick up some of this red enchilada sauce. My husband wants me to make him chicken enchiladas, so I pick up some sauce and I would make those for him. And then if you have seen my other grocery haul video, you know we love soups in this house, so we pick up some of them because we only have like 2 left in the cabinet. My husband picked up the sirloin steak, and then I pick up the classic chicken noodle, but our all-time favorite is the creamy chicken noodle. We pick up like 8 of them. It's still kind of cold here in Las Vegas. It's like on and off. Sometimes it's sunny, sometimes it's cold. Let me know in the comments down below what is your weather where you're at right now. And then here at the front, we have some ground beef. We love to use this for tacos or taco salad. I also like to use this for beef chilies. And then I pick up 2 of these 3-pack bacon from Sam's Club. This is cheaper than buying 1 pound each from Walmart. I used to see this at Sam's Club. I never really picked this up, but Walmart has been out of stock of bacon for a while, so I picked this up and it's actually cheaper. And then here we have some jasmine rice. I picked this up from Walmart. I used to get my rice from Asian store, but it was really far away from my house, so I just picked this up and it's actually pretty good. And then here we have frozen salmon. I love this one because it's only the middle part and then there's no skin at all. So when we're in the mood for salmon, I just defrost this and cook this and it was really good. And then my husband picked up some more of the Salisbury steak. He loves Salisbury steak. He always grab one. And then here on the top, we have some pizza. My husband wants to try this. He did try it. By the time I upload this video, this was already gone and he actually didn't like it. So I don't recommend that one. And then we pick up this all-time favorite in this house, the bacon mac and cheese. This is really good. Totally recommend. My son loves Vienna sausage and we are almost out, so I pick up some more of these from Sam's Club. And then I also grab some of these crackers. My son loves this, so I pick up some more. And then here we have chicken carbonara. I totally recommend this, guys. If you haven't tried it, go try it. It's a small portion, but it was really good. And then here is my all-time favorite, beef pot roast. I always grab one of these because it's super easy meal. It's delicious and it's not that expensive. And then here we have some mozzarella cheese. We're going to use this for our pizza. And then my husband picked up some of this party pizza. He said he was going to try this for like easy dinner at night. Let's see. Back here, we have some whipped cream. I pick up this 3-pack from Sam's Club. We use a lot of whipped cream in this house. I love this for pancake. And I don't really worry about this expiring because it has really long shelf life. So I'm pretty sure we're going to use this before it expires. I am running low in coffee, so I pick up some more. And then we also pick up more of this beef burger. We just run out. And these are good, guys. You can just add your own seasoning and you can make it your own. And then we love Pringles in this house. If you know me and you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, you know we love Pringles in this house. My favorite one is the sour cream, and then my husband loves this cheddar. And then over here, as you see, that's the pizza that's crappy. Don't try it, don't buy it. And then here we have some fig bars. My husband loves this. I like this for snack. Every once in a while, I would eat this for breakfast because I don't really eat breakfast. But when I'm on my way to work, I would snack on this because I get really hungry sometimes. And that is all that we got food-wise. Over here on the very left side, we have some non-food items. And we're gonna start with this extra detergent. I use this for my clothes and my husband's. I don't use this for my son because he's allergic to this. And then we pick up some more of these dishwashing pods. We literally just bought some of these last grocery haul, but my under the sink got super wet. It broke, so it got really wet underneath it, and all the dishwashing pods melted, so we have to throw it away and pick up some new ones. We pick up some backup light bulb, and then I also pick up some of this washing machine cleaner. I use this for my washing machine after washing all the rugs. And then my husband picked up this USB cable for his car because he's broke. I hear a lot of good things about this sponge daddy scrubber, so I wanted to try it. I picked this up from Walmart. And then here we have parchment paper. We are running low, so I pick up some more. We use this for bacon and anything that we're baking. And then here, I pick up this blue Downy. Usually, I get the pink one, but I wanted to try something different, so I pick up the blue one this time. And then, I pick up more of this aluminum foil, some coffee filter, and plastic straws. And lastly, I pick up more of this OxyClean because I am almost out. I use this pretty much all the time when I do my laundry. And that is all that we got, guys. Please let me know in the comments down below if there's anything from this grocery haul that interests you or you want to try next for your upcoming grocery haul. I would really love to know. I think that would be so cool. Here we are just putting everything away now. My husband is also making dinner because it's pretty late. I got off from work late and we went straight to grocery shopping. As you see by the window, it's pretty dark. I believe it's like 9 p.m. already. If you need some tips and ideas on how to organize your pantry and your fridge, I made a video about that. I will link them in the description box below if you want to check it out after watching this one. I hope you find this video helpful. I hope you get some new ideas on what to try next for your upcoming grocery trip. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this with a friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell next to it so you wouldn't miss any more of my future uploads. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all and I will talk to you all again on my next video. Bye!